Welcome to the program. Good afternoon.
Thank you very much. Alright, in today's video, I'm going to teach you some financial terms that you must know. The first one is bull markets. The first one is what?
Bull markets.
Bull markets. Bull market occurs when the stock or crypto market is going up. When it is going what?
Up.
When it is going up. People call it bull market. That is because a bull thrusts its horns in an upward motion. In an upward what?
Motion.
An upward motion.
That does bull market always go up?
Bull market, no. In a bull market, there's going to be ups and there's going to be downs along the way, but the general direction is upward.
Okay.
The general direction is what?
Upwards.
Is upwards.
How long does bull markets last?
Oh, okay, that's a very good question. Bull markets can last for a couple of months, even years. For 9 months to a couple of years.
How many years, Dad?
Well, it depends. During a bull market, Daddy is happy because Daddy has a lot of money to buy your toys, to take you out, and to buy you clothing and a lot of stuff. Okay? To buy you trailer?
And to buy me dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs, yeah, that's correct.
Dad, when is bull market coming again?
Alright. Okay, bull market is going to return sometime around 2024.
Are you sure?
I think so. You see, always watch out for the Federal Reserve. Once the Federal Reserve begins to print money, when the Federal Reserve turns on the money printers, that is the first and biggest sign that the bull market has arrived. Shortly before the government turns on the money printers, they will cut interest rates. Okay? When the Federal Reserve begins to cut interest rates, it's time for you to accumulate crypto, it's time for you to accumulate stocks. Wherever you are, you have to call your sister and say, hello sis. Wherever you are, you have to call your brother and say, hello bro. Hello bro, the Federal Reserve has started cutting interest rates today. It's time to buy some stocks. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Are we good?
Yes. Hello, sister.
And you must do this whether Daddy is around or not. Are we good?
Yes.
Okay.
Daddy, the Federal Reserve is in America.
Yeah, correct. You see, whatever decision the Federal Reserve makes in faraway America affects your pockets. It affects your economy wherever you are in the world. So you must pay close attention to what they say. You must pay close attention to their body language. Are we good?
Yeah.
Are we good? Shall we move on?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you have to tell our viewers?
Bye.
What do you have to tell our viewers?
Thank you. Subscribe. We love you.
Thank you very much. Come on, give me 5.
Yeah.
Come on, give me 5.